Good Thursday morning to Northern Michigan. We'll take a look at your forecast now. It's been a snowy morning for a lot of us out there. In fact, we have seen our next system push its way in. It's brought us some wintry mix, some scattered rain showers along with it, and a lot of snow. Now this is going to continue overnight tonight into our Friday. We're also going to see our winds pick up as well. Here's a look at what's causing all of this. We have a low pressure system right near Missouri, Illinois right now. It's going to make its way towards southwestern Michigan and then cross up, exiting the thumb as we get into our Friday. And so that's what's going to cause all of this precipitation to stick around. Let's go ahead. We'll take a look at Stormcast now as we go throughout the day today. We are seeing all of that precipitation stick around. You can see as we get into your drive home from work today or those after school activities, we are seeing some rain remain for southern parts of our counties, but we are also seeing some wintry mix, snow showers continuing, and some areas of heavier snowfall for parts of the eastern UP. Now, as we get later on into our nighttime hours, we'll head towards 10 o'clock here, and the system continues to push across southern Michigan. So we're going to see more and more areas see that rain and wintry mix change over to some snow showers, and we're also seeing more of those lighter blue colors fill in. So as that happens, we're going to see some heavier snowfall occur. And again, we're going to see those winds pick up. In fact, could see gale force winds. And so as we have that added in, don't be surprised if there's very low visibilities on top of some of that blowing and drifting snow across the roads. Overnight into your Friday, that system continues to push off towards the east. Back behind it, however, though, for your Friday morning commute, we are left with more snow showers continuing to fall. And then we will gradually see those diminish as that system continues to push eastward towards the East Coast. And then by your drive home on Friday, we do see just a few remaining scattered snow showers, but not a whole lot to worry about by that time. Now, as we get into the start of your weekend, we will see a little bit more sunshine. We get a break from the majority of precipitation, just a slight chance of a few flurries falling, and that'll continue as we head towards the second half of the weekend as well. All right, so let's talk snow totals as we go throughout the day today. Hitting around lunchtime or so, we're looking at some areas picking up between 1, 2, 3 inches, however, some 4 or 5. We add on to that by the time that you're driving home today. You can see eastern you picking up 3 or so. Elsewhere we have 4, 5, and then down towards parts of the central and northern lower could be looking at 7, 8, 9 inches. By the time that you're headed out the door tomorrow morning for your Friday, here we're at 6 o'clock in the morning, and a lot of areas picking up around a foot or so. And then by the time that you're driving home on Friday, we tack on just a little bit more. You can see kind of a bullseye for heavier snowfall really from the Traverse City area over towards Gaylord and then down towards Cadillac as well as in the eastern UP. So let's go ahead. We'll take a look at your pinpoint forecast. For the eastern UP for today, we're talking snow showers, about 4 to 7 inches expected as you reach the low to mid 30s. For tonight, 3 to 6 inches added on to that. Lows are down into the upper 20s. And again, we're going to see that wind increase. Northern lower for today, 3 to 6 inches expected around the area. And again, some areas are going to see more, some less. So Charlevoix, Sheboygan, Petoskey, Gaylord, all of those areas going to see a little bit more than, say, Alpena, only picking up around 3 inches if that. And then for tonight, we're looking at 1 to 6 inches added on as the lows inland, mid upper 20s, low 30s elsewhere. And we're seeing Traverse City picking up around 7 or so inches by this time. Central lower for today looking at mid upper 30s, and so we're going to see a little bit more of that wintry mix stick around for you, picking up around 1 to 3 inches for today, and then adding the same amount on tonight as we see it switch over to all snow as lows get down into the upper 20s. Here's a look at that winter storm warning that we're under. We did start it at 7 o'clock this morning, and it goes until 7 o'clock on Friday evening. Don't be surprised if our 2-day total exceeds around a foot or so. And again, we are expecting those high winds. Could see gale force gusts, that's mid 40s to around 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So that could cause blowing and drifting snow. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and we'll get through the next couple of days and then dry out a little bit to start the weekend. See a little bit more sunshine as well as we head towards the Christmas holiday. We also bring back just a slight chance of snow as we get into Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday as well. Thanks for clicking at upnorthlive.com.